Okay, so I'm going to show you how to use the AWS CLI without setting up the, without pasting your access key and your secret access and generating that, and that's done by this method. For this, we have to first of all go to IAM, and we will create a new role. So I'll go to role, I'll create a new role, and it will ask me to choose a service. For that role, I'll say EC2, and I'll choose the first one, EC2, next permissions, and in this I will choose the admin access. Right, so next review, role name, admin access role, EC2 instances consume admin role. So create a role. Okay, so admin access, I have a bunch of other roles set up, but this is the one we will be using for using the CLI. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to EC2, and I'll launch an instance. So quickly, I'm going to launch the first AMI, Amazon Linux AMI, which will have the AWS command line set up already. So right here, the default image includes command line tools, Python, Ruby, but the thing we'll need is the command line tools. So select next. Now over here in the IAM role, I am going to select admin access. Right, so this is the role we just created. Next, add. I'm going to say name CLI try. Right, so configure security group. We will just need to SSH into this. I might already have one, so yeah. So I choose something that has SSH access to your EC2, because we'll be logging into that. So for the key, I'm going to create a new key. I'm going to say CLI key or EC2 key nov for November. Download the key pair. Launch. Okay, so here's my instance, and I'll be trying to log into this instance. Now this does have the role of admin access. So if I refresh this, so I'm coming back to my terminal window, and now if you use Windows, then you'd want to use PuTTY to log into your machine. You probably already have PuTTY installed, and you log into your machine through PuTTY. Otherwise, you can log into your you can log into your machine over here by if you're in Linux or Mac through SSH, and for that we need to use command like this. So if I connect, then I'm just gonna copy this, and first of all I'll change the directory to the place where I have my access keys. Chmod 400 my new key. So what was the name of my access key? Connect. So EC2 key nov. Oops. So EC2 key nov. Okay. EC2. Oops. So key nov. So I'm changing the permission on the key file. Otherwise I wouldn't be able to use this key file. So enter, and I'll be able to paste the SSH command, and I will be able to log in. Okay, So what I just did is that I'm logged into this Amazon Linux machine on this is my EC2, and if I have the role attached, then what I can do is I can just say AWS S3 ls, and there it is. I don't have to paste my access keys or anything. I can just get started doing whatever with the command line, which is also installed on the machine already. So that's one advantage of doing it this way. You don't have to worry about access keys and that kind of stuff, which is also safer. You don't want to be generating those access keys. So over the course of this tutorial, I'll be using my Amazon Linux to demonstrate everything, because once again, you can destroy this, and you don't have to mess with your personal computer and put the access keys in, that kind of stuff. But if I would I would recommend you trying this at least to get an idea of how this works. But once again, if you want to be working with your stuff from your personal computer, then setting up access keys on that computer is okay as well. So now we have this style of doing things. Let's get started with doing the actual things.